Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today we will start our lesson number 3, A Boy Judge. Now first, before explaining the lesson, we will do the reading of that lesson. So all of you have to listen it very carefully. Once upon a time, 3 thieves who had stolen a pot of gold in a distant town were returning to their village. They were passing through a small town when it grew dark. Their village was a long way off. Their chief said to the others, "I don't know whether we can reach our village safely with all this gold. Let's stay for the night in some house here in this town." His friends also thought that this was the best thing to do. They went in search of a lodging for the night and at last found an old woman who agreed to let them stay in her hut. Now, none of the thieves would trust any of his companions with the pot of gold. So they decided to give it to the old woman to keep. They carefully sealed the mouth of the pot with clay and took it to the old woman and said, "Please keep this with you till we ask for it. Don't give it to anyone till all 3 of us ask for it together." The old woman agreed. She asked the men whether they would take it back. The next morning, their chief replied, "Yes, we will, but be sure to keep it in a very, very safe place." The 3 men cooked their own dinner. After eating it, they sat under a tree talking together. The youngest of them, who was a clever man, wanted to get the pot of gold for himself. He was trying to think of a plan. Just then a woman came selling curds, and the young thief said, "Look, here comes a woman selling curds. Let's buy some." The chief said, "All right, we will buy some. Go and get the pot from the old woman." This was just the opportunity the young man wanted. He went to the old woman and said, "Let's have the pot we gave you to keep." The woman said, "Your chief has asked me not to give the pot till all of you ask for it together." The young man said, "But our chief himself has sent me to get the pot." The old woman was too busy to go out and ask the chief. She shouted from inside the house to ask whether she should give the pot to the young man. The chief did not understand that she was talking about the pot of gold. "Give it to him," he shouted back to her. So the old woman gave the pot of gold to the young man, and he quietly left the place with it. The chief waited for some time and then went inside. He soon found out everything. He accused the woman of being careless and asked her to pay him for the lost gold. The old woman was taken aback. She hadn't known that there was gold in the sealed pot. She did not know what to do. She fell on her knees and begged the chief to forgive her, but the chief would not leave her. In despair, she approached the king, told him the whole story, and begged him to save her. The king sent for a boy called Ramanna. Ramanna was very intelligent and often helped the king in giving his judgment. The old woman narrated the whole story to the boy. Ramanna asked the king to send for the chief of the thieves. When he came, Ramanna informed him that he was going to try the case. He then fixed a day for the trial. On the day of the trial, everyone waited eagerly to see how the boy would decide the case. When Ramanna came into the courtroom, he found that it was packed with people. The thieves were asked to tell their story first. They accused the old woman of carelessness. I am sorry, said the old woman with tears in her eyes. Please forgive me. I am a poor woman. Ramanna turned to the thieves and said, Did you tell this woman to give back the pot only to all three of you together? The chief said, Yes, we did. We told her not to give it otherwise. In that case, said Ramanna, bring your other friend and all three of you ask for the pot together. Then the old woman will give it back to you. The two thieves did not know what to do. They did not know where to find the other thief. So they gave up the case. The woman was very happy. The people in the courtroom went away praising the wisdom of Ramanna. So students, here we read the story A Boy Judge. So all of you have to read it and practice it.